Welcome to Chris Cook for YouTube. Today I'm going to be doing something that's very simple, very easy. A baby could do it if you put him up to it. This is something that you can use for an appetizer, or you can use it as an hors d'oeuvre, or you can just eat it like it is. We're going to be doing scampi shrimp. Real quick, real easy. So let's get started. Of course, you're going to need the shrimp. I'm going to peel and devein the shrimp. You're going to need garlic, some cloves of garlic, butter, melted butter, lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. You're going to need lemon pepper, and you can or cannot use breadcrumbs. Tonight, I'm going to use breadcrumbs. Now, this takes a small amount of time to get ready, maybe about 6 to 8 minutes in order to cook the shrimp, and we're going to broil the shrimp in the oven. After then, this is all ready. How quick and easy is that? So I'm going to go away, get everything prepared, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, now I'm back and all of my ingredients are assembled. If you have a decorative dish that goes from the oven to the table, you can use it. I didn't happen to have one, so I'm going to do it with just this pie tin. So what you want to do is, I'm going to go ahead and put my lemon pepper down in this pan. Now, why am I doing it this way? So I don't have to flip it. And that's just a lazy way of doing it. You might want to just go ahead and season both sides of yours. And then I'm going to put my shrimp in. And what you want to do, I only flipped that one because I didn't have it going the right way. You want to put all of your shrimp going the same way if you can. Okay? So I'm going to get all of these in. That's one side. Then I'm going to take the rest of them and just finish putting them in the pan. Now I have my oven on 525, which is high heat, and that's why it's only going to take a minimal amount of time. This is going to stay in there maybe 6-7 minutes at the most. You know, it does not take shrimp long to cook. That's just my oven letting me know that it's ready. So I'm going to go ahead, sprinkle just a little bit more down on it, not that much. Now I'm going to take my melted butter, put a little bit of my lemon pepper in my melted butter. I have about 5 cloves of garlic, and I've already chopped them up as fine as I could get them. I'm going to put that in. Going to stir it just a little bit. Then I'm going to put in the juice of 1/2 lemon. Now, if you want to add more, you can. But a half lemon should be enough. And this was the juiciest lemon. It was so easy, look. I mean, it was really juicy. So I ended up doing all of the lemon. Okay, that's okay. Half a lemon is much better. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and pour this over my shrimp. Okay, and on top of that, I didn't use it all. I'm going to put some breadcrumbs. Now, these breadcrumbs are optional. You can put them down on if you want. If you don't want to, you don't have to. There it is. And I'm going to stick this in my oven 6-7 minutes, and I'll bring you right back when it's completed. Be right back. Okay, now I'm back, and the timer just went off, so I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the oven. There you have it, scampi shrimp. And I'm going to hit it with just a little bit more of my pepper, my lemon pepper. There you go. Alrighty, now you can eat this and as you can see, it's done. You can eat this as a appetizer. You can do it as an hors d'oeuvre, or you can just do it. And that garlic butter that's down in there, that's going to make it oh so good, along with the breadcrumbs that's on top. And you have enough butter, see? You have enough butter to just dip it and eat it. Well, that's what Chris is making for you tonight. Something that's really, really simple and easy. And as I told you, a baby can do it if you put him up to it. So try this. I think you're truly going to enjoy it. This is scampi shrimp without the pasta. Real quick and easy. And as always, thank you for watching. Chris cooked for you too. Bye.